In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Outlook with subfolders, rules, and filters. By the end, your inbox will feel cleaner, faster, and easier to manage without you doing extra work every day. We'll start by creating subfolders so you have a home for the types of messages you get most. In the folder pane, right-click your inbox or any parent folder and choose New Folder or New Subfolder. Give each one a short, clear name like Clients, Invoices, or Meetings, so you can spot it at a glance. If you work with multiple projects or teams, use a simple naming pattern, such as Team, Invoices, to keep related folders grouped together. Keep the structure shallow at first. You can always add more subfolders later if your needs grow. Next, tidy up your existing mailbox by filing older messages into those subfolders. Select a batch of emails in your inbox. Use Shift-click for Arrange or Control-CMD-click for individual picks. Then choose Move or Copy, and select Choose Folder. Place them into the right subfolder. If you are unsure where something belongs, file it to a General to Sort subfolder so you don't stall. The goal is to reduce visual clutter and get your inbox back to current. Actionable Mail. Now, let's make Outlook do the sorting for you with rules. Right-click a sample email that represents what you want to organize and choose Rules. Then create Rule. On Outlook on the web, go to Settings, Mail, then Rules. Set conditions that match your needs, such as from a specific sender, subject contains words like invoice or meeting, or sent to a particular address you use for newsletters or support. For the action, choose Move to Folder and select the subfolder you created. Save the rule. From now on, similar incoming messages will skip the inbox and land in the right place automatically. It's a good idea to keep rule names descriptive so you can edit them later if your workflow changes. Many versions also let you run the rule on existing messages, which can help you catch up quickly. Finally, use filters to zero in on what matters in the moment. In Outlook on the web or desktop, use the filter menu or the search bar to show only unread messages, flagged items, or messages from a specific sender or with certain keywords. This is perfect for quick reviews, like scanning today's unread items or pulling up all invoices due this month. Remember, filters don't move anything. They just change what you are seeing so you can focus. With subfolders, rules, and filters working together, your inbox becomes a dashboard, not a dump. Keep names consistent, adjust rules as your workload evolves, and enjoy a calmer, more predictable Outlook experience. Thanks for watching.